What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make homemade DIY disinfectant wipes, aka LYSOL CLOROX wipes. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, please do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. So all we're going to need is a roll of paper towels, an empty container, some bleach, measuring spoons, and a cup. Alright, for demonstration I'm just going to use this smaller roll because it'll fit in the container, but we're just going to go ahead and mark the height that will fit in the container. And the easiest way to cut this is push it down flat as much as you can and get a serrated knife. A serrated bread knife would be best. And just saw right through it. If you've got power tools, a bandsaw or a miter saw would cut through this really easy. Alright, we'll put that ugly cut end. Drop that into our container. If you don't have an old wipe container, actually an old coffee can like these, it will actually fit a full-size paper towel roll, so it's even better. Okay, now I've got 2 cups of water measured out, and we're just going to take regular old household bleach. And according to the CDC, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of bleach per 8 ounces per US 1 cup. So for 2 cups, it's just 2 teaspoons of bleach. Give it a little stir. And we're just going to pour that solution right over our paper towels. Just till they get completely saturated, you know, moist. You don't have to make it flooded or anything. And once it's wet, you can take the middle out. Put our lid on. Now we can get to cleaning, and that solution we made, you can also put that in a spray bottle and you'll have a nice disinfectant spray. But that's it guys, hopefully this video helped you out, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Take care guys.